Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to check how to use buttons in SecureCRT. So last video we saw how we install SecureCRT on our laptops. So in this video we will just take a step forward and just browse through the features that it has. One of it is buttons. So let's head to our screen and see how it works in action. So in here I have opened my SecureCRT already. So I'll just give you a topology view what I have done actually. So I have a GNS setup with just two routers. It can be any router on your network in your company. I'll just take telnet sessions for these routers, add some buttons on our SecureCRT to save some of our time. So the IOS that I have on GNS are of Cisco's, so which are well known and mostly used in it is vendor independent software SecureCRT. So just make sure to mold it as per your requirement. So I have opened my SecureCRT, and what I have did, I have added a router under the sessions. I have given properties. So properties like telnet and the port ID that I have connected. Okay, and once I double click on it, it opens up all my details. So this is just a router. So in Cisco we have a command show IP interface brief or show interface description, right? So what you do is you manually type that command, right? So again, it is a tedious process. You have to type the entire command on your own. So instead what you can do is you can create a button and you can just do it like that. So you don't need to type the entire command again and again. So all the repetitive tasks that you have, you can take care using this buttons bar. So I have added one more command, show IP interface brief, which is also well known. Then we have all the other commands that you require. You can create a number of commands over here. So to create that command, what you need to do is you just click on a new button, send string. What I did is show IP interface brief. No need to type it completely, it is fine. One key thing to observe here is I'll quickly add a label. As you see, I see couple of options on the bottom, okay, like \n. When you add this and you type a command, enter is pressed by default, but however in this trial version it is not happening, so might be a bug or something like that. But you don't need to press enter after pressing the button. So which is not the case right now. I am not able to showcase that, but if you see, if I click on that button, that enter is not taking. So \n actually is a enter command. So you will see the output also, which is displayed. So okay, that's one thing. So okay, so this is one button bar that I have created. Maybe you are testing some of the feature, and for that you need all these buttons. So let's say you have another feature that you need to test. Okay, for that I need a new button bar. So I'll just name EVPN, let's say. Okay, now you can create new buttons for EVPN. Maybe I'll just do a string, then EVI MAC, and then I do a \n label show EVPN command. Okay, you can even change the icon color as per your choice. So I'll just stick to the default of green and click on OK. And okay, so this iOS is old, maybe it doesn't support EVPN right now, but you have this option, like you can create multiple button bars, and inside that you can create around 7 to 8 buttons, 7 to 8 commands that can come handy to you, and you can use it gradually as you test it, and it will save some of your time, and you can focus on working on the feature more effectively. So okay, that was all I wanted to show in this video, how you use the button bar. So maybe in the next video I'll just quickly showcase how you can use this script option, okay, for doing repetitive tasks, and for that scripts are very helpful. So I'll just see you in the next video. I hope this session was informative, and I might have added some value to you. Okay guys, bye, and I'll see you in the next session. Thank you.